welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set data validation in Excel or validation rule. Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set validation rule in Excel. So what is validation rule? Simply, it is to tell the user that certain type of data is not acceptable to your system. This helps prevent wrong data entry. This helps your system from accepting wrong data. For example, you want to limit the length of character to a certain range, you can use validation rule. You want to limit the age range, you can use validation rule. Now let me show you how to do that. First, I will select some cells and then click on data. Then go to data validation, then settings. On settings, select the type that you want to control. It is the length. Now I'm going to set the minimum length to 1 and maximum I'm going to set it to 10. Now you can also provide an information to the user that there is range, character, length should be less than 10. Then okay. Now you can see the information is here prompted. Now I can start entering the data and let's see what happens. Halima Ahmed. Now this is more than 10. The moment I press enter, a warning message has appeared showing, indicating that this data is not acceptable. Now if I say retry, it's going to expect me to reduce this. Okay, now it passes. You can also remove the input and instead provide only something that is shown when the user, I remove this one and instead write an alert. Now here character length, car length, and then paste the error message here. Now if I just increase a little bit this one, you can see it says should be less than 10. Very good. Now you can also set a limit for the age range or for the numbers. I will do the same thing, select certain cells, then go to data, again data validation. Now settings, here select the type, it's decimal. I want the range to be between 0 and 30. Now I want to provide an alert message here saying age should be between 0 and 30. Age range, I can type here age range. Now what happens when the user enters a negative number? The message is prompted. If I say retry, it expects me to correct. It won't pass to the next cell until I correct. Now this one is acceptable. If I put here something greater outside the range, it shows me that this is not acceptable. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.